Alright, so I'm going to share with you a little bit about the experiment I just set up. So this is my sun. You can see right there. And over here, this case right here is going to represent a little mountain range. Since this is the typical time you see this phenomenon happening is right at sunset. And then this blanket over here is going to represent the rest of the overcast sky, since it's through clouds that we're dealing with. That's to help us be able to see the results a little bit better of what's happening. So here we go. Once again, I've got this light as far away as I could possibly get it. It's about 40 feet away. And this is my cloud here. So you can see the design on my cloud matches the design that I've got here. And already you can see when you're at sunset and the sky is low on the horizon, you can see that in this perspective, that the beams have already spread out considerably. Now, when we get down here, and I got flour all over my floor to help us see if we can. I'm gonna flip this upside down. Sorry, I should have been holding it that way the whole time. But here's that center hole right here, and I've lined it up so that if we get this down here, so you can see the light coming through. Let's see if this will work when I blow on it again. I don't know. I'll have to look at that in the post video to see what it looked like. But if we come back here and we look at the sun rays, from what we can see, we see that same very thing happening. We see this cloud up in the sky, and we see all these different beams spreading out far, far away from where they should be. Let's see if I can blow this one more time. Not really. Anyways, so now you might be saying, now they're not adding up left and right. That's completely straight. They're not spreading out. But you got to take into effect that the cloud is far, far away from us. And just like a building, if you look straight up at the building or straight away from you, everything converges at that single point. Just like this cloud here looks much wider than this cloud does here in the video. So this will be drastically increased the farther away the cloud is, and you'll be able to see this wide range of sunbeams coming through. And like I said, sorry that this last half of the video is going to be upside down. Maybe I can flip it over and post and hook it back together, but I think this kind of explains the whole sun ray phenomenon.